Hey Tony. So maybe you want to tell people what's been going on this year.
I'm 11 years old and I had osteosarcoma.
What's
cancer?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Are you all right now?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm getting better.
You had your surgery?
Yeah, my surgery went good.
What was the doctor's name?
Dr. Fabian.
We liked him, right? He was a great doctor.
He was a great doctor.
Right. And so we've been riding about 3 hours now. We got our bikes out. We're all dusty and dirty, but we had a ball and we're getting tired, but we're going to try to do this video one more time, right?
Yep.
So we're going to get you going up and down the driveway a couple times.
Yeah.
All right? So let's see. We got it right this time.
So here we go, guys. Putting on my helmet.
I hope it's right.
Gotta be safe.
It's blinking. Don't know why.
Here we go. On my mirror. Here we go, guys. I'm riding a fishing rod. How do you like this? Everyone want to see this? Oh yeah, booyah. Oh my god. How about this? Wow. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, good. Going good so far, right? Yeah, it's going good, right? Oh, how about that? I mean, that guy is just a freak. No, I'm just kidding. It's called NASCAR driving.